Hi, I'm Kate Goldhouse of Goldhouse Gourmet, and today I'm going to be showing you vegan burritos with pinto beans. This recipe also calls for pureed sweet potatoes, resulting in burritos that are bursting with flavor. Begin by chopping 1/2 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 bell pepper. Add the vegetables to a medium skillet with a little bit of water and saute for 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in 1½ cups of pinto beans. Then add 1 15-ounce can of fire-roasted tomatoes and 1 15-ounce can of corn and cook until heated through. Remove the skillet from the heat and stir in 1½ tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 2 teaspoons prepared mustard, 1 tablespoon of reduced sodium tamari, and a dash of cayenne. To assemble the burritos, spread a 1/2-inch layer of pureed canned sweet potatoes onto 1/2 of a tortilla. Then place the bean mixture on top. Roll the tortilla, folding in the edges as you go. Bake in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Serve these burritos with salsa or wrap them up in tin foil for a hearty and healthy snack on the go.